Introducing MEANWELL XDR, a new generation of ultra-slim, high-performance power supplies. Available from 75 to 960 watts with a wide input range up to 305 VAC, suitable for global applications. Its ultra-slim width, from 30 to 96 millimeters, saves space without compromise. Designed for easy installation with multiple terminal options for system flexibility. Engineered to perform from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius even in the harshest environments. Conformal coating protection ensures long-term reliability in outdoor and industrial settings, delivering up to 200% peak power and 600% peak pulse current. Certified for international standards, ideal for industries from manufacturing to semiconductor and oil and gas. MEANWELL XDR, ready to perform.